Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you exactly how the mending works. So mending is pretty much by far the strongest enchantment in the entire game, and the way to get it is by finding books in dungeons, in temples, or just by getting a villager, which is by far the easiest way. I've got a mending villager in my village that's close to my base. And as you can see, I've got every tool and every piece of armor equipped with it, including the elytra. So to show it off, we are in the end right here, and I'm going to go down to my enderman farm right there, which is pretty much just my XP farm. I used a pretty basic design using an endermite, but as you can see, the enderman already falling down the gigantic tube right there. So, now my tools are fully healed, but you're gonna see that every time I smack my sword, it's going to lose durability and immediately gain it back. So by gaining the XP, everything heals itself pretty much. That's what mending does. Instead of giving you XP, it will heal the tools that you're currently either wearing or have in your hand. So, that's the easiest way to heal your tools by using mending. This guy's angry at me. I'm sorry that this is a little bit loud, but I just had to showcase it this way. So yeah, pretty much every time your tools get damaged and you have mending on it, just make sure you kill some mobs or breed some animals, something like that. Just anything that gives you XP, and you will have your max durability left in no time. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.